Hi friends, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm going to prepare chicken biryani on a special request from one of my lovely Sabi. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna prepare chicken biryani. So for that, what we have to do at first is that we have to marinate the chicken with the mentioned ingredients. Like this is my chicken I have washed properly, and now I will put beaten curd. I have beaten this curd with a little bit of water. So I'm putting around 5 teaspoons of beaten curd. And now this is ginger, garlic, onion and green chili paste. So I will put near about 3 teaspoons of ginger, garlic and green chili and onion paste. This is cumin powder, cumin seeds powder. So I'm going to put around 2 teaspoons of cumin seed powder. Sugar, salt according to taste. And this is red chilli powder. So now I'm going to mix this and we'll leave this marinated chicken for about 1 hour or so. Then I will prepare the chicken biryani. So guys, now I will prepare the chicken, marinated chicken. So at first I'm gonna put oil, cinnamon stick, cardamom and clove into this. And now I am going to put this marinated chicken into this. Mix this. Let this cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Stir a bit. Teaspoon of red chilli powder. This is Kashmiri red chilli powder for the color. Now I will put salt. Here the salt quantity is also according to taste. So just give a mix again. Then close the lid for a few minutes, like 5 to 6 minutes. Now I will put just a little bit of water. Again, let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes or so. So let's see guys, yeah, our chicken for preparing biryani is ready. And now I will put 1 teaspoon of ready-made chicken masala, chicken curry masala. So I will just switch off the gas and will let you see the process of making the biryani. It's time to know the step of biryani. So for that I'm taking this karai. I have brushed this karai with a little bit of ghee, and now what I'm going to do is, here I have a semi-boiled basmati rice. So I will just spread 1 layer of basmati rice into this. Put this chicken curry on one side of this rice. We're distributing it like this way. And in this, I will put Desi Ghee, This is Barista. It's called deep fried onion. You just have to chop the onion and you have to just deep fry it. So it's Barista. So I will put this Barista like this way. And here I have this food color. You can also use saffron mixed with milk. So I'm using this food color. And this is a ready-made biryani masala. So I'm putting this ready-made biryani masala. You can also put handmade masala if you want to have. And biryani masala, ready-made biryani masala is easily available in the store. And now I will put Kevda water. You can also use rose water. And now I will put this fried egg. It's boiled and fried egg, and one fried potato. I have boiled this potato and I have fried with red chili powder and salt. And, like this way I have made another layer, and over that I have given food color Barista and a little bit of ghee, and now I will close the lid like this, and it will go for indirect heating. But before that, this is one wheat flour dough, so I will just use this dough to cover the lid like this, so that the smell and the flavor keeps in the karai, and it will make the biryani more yummy. I will take one pan and will heat it a little bit. And now what I'm gonna do is I will put this karai into this for indirect heating. Okay, I will leave this for around 15 minutes. Guys, our yummy chicken biryani is ready to serve. As you can see how yummy it is looking, and do try this at home. And this video I have created just for one lovely subscriber of mine who requested me to make this chicken biryani. So I hope you will like this, and if you like this recipe of mine, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for other such recipe. I'm gonna come with another new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys.